Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making natural toothpaste with baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, pink Himalayan salt, and xylitol. So this video was inspired by a TikTok that I found by Poshmamma, and apparently I was trying to get the links and everything in the description box for you guys, and her account has been banned on TikTok, and I don't know what happened. I believe it had something to do with a live or something. I don't even know why. But her content is literally non-problematic. She identifies as a medicine woman, and she just shares remedies that she uses personally. Media censorship is a thing. I've seen it happen to people on a personal level or public level. I've seen people on various platforms stick up for bullying, racism, anything under the sun, human rights, women's rights, and they'll get videos taken down or banned. I've seen doctors get shadow banned for literally talking about like stuff that was in their medical books. Like, you go to school for 12 years to be a doctor. More than that for some, I believe. I don't know. You go to school to be a doctor for a really long time. You're getting shadow banned for something that's in a book, but you literally perform surgeries, administer medicine, and everything under the sun. I have literally seen it all these past few years. But we all know TikTok is an AI as well, and a lot of the platforms are designed to use specific words because there's just like... there's a lot that goes into it. Now we're gonna jump right into the video. So I recommend you get a jar. I really tried to get the adhesive off, but I'm just gonna have to get a new jar. The first measurement is 3 teaspoons of baking soda. I couldn't really get it accurate because I didn't have anything to pour my baking soda into, and yeah. But now I have a bag, so yeah. But in this is the visual you guys have for now. But yeah. 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide is what I used. Well, that's also what she did too. All of these measurements are hers. Yeah. And 3 tablespoons of sea salt or pink Himalayan sea salt. But this is pink Himalayan salt for this bottle. If you guys know if there's a difference between pink Himalayan salt and pink Himalayan sea salt, please share in the comments, because I was trying to research that and nothing was coming up for me. The xylitol is something extra I added personally because it was in my other natural toothpaste that I ordered off Amazon, and it had really good health benefits for the teeth. I'll read all the benefits of each product, but I just put 2 to 3 teaspoons in there. But depending on the ratio, this actually came out a little liquidy, so you can add more baking soda or sea salt or pink Himalayan sea salt. So baking soda helps reduce harmful bacteria, naturally whitens the teeth, reduces acidity and plaque, helps remineralize your enamel, and overall it just cleans the teeth more efficiently and protects against plaque. Hydrogen peroxide helps whiten teeth, helps fight inflammation, can help prevent harmful bacteria from building up on the teeth and gums. Himalayan pink salt can assist in removing bacteria from the teeth and gums. It can also help remove irritants such as allergies and fungi from the throat. Some people gargle with salt water to break up thick mucus when they're sick, so, salt water has benefits. And it also fights off cavity-causing plaque. Pretty much everything is fighting plaque and killing bacteria. Xylitol helps reduce risk of tooth decay by enhancing saliva flow. The increased saliva flow helps stabilize the overall pH levels to decrease harmful bacteria in the mouth. The harmful bacteria are also responsible for various conditions such as xerostoma, gingivitis, and periodontitis. I hope I said this right. Xerostoma is dry mouth and can be caused by dry, hot weather, dry foods, medication side effects, and also just overall diminished saliva production. Gingivitis is the earliest stage of gum disease. Plaque and bacteria build up on the teeth and cause infection. The symptoms for this are red, swollen, and bleeding gums. Periodontitis is a serious gum infection that causes damage to the soft tissue around the teeth. The symptoms are also red, bleeding, or swollen gums, and it causes severe inflammation of gums. Periodontitis can destroy the bone that supports teeth if not treated. It can also cause teeth to loosen or even lead to tooth loss. Periodontitis is common, but can also be prevented.
So, okay, I actually need to get a new jar. Like, I reused this from, like, my old toothpaste. I'm not sure if you guys seen my last video. It was, oh, no, I didn't post that yet. Okay, anyway, I'll be posting a cleaning video, and I kind of, like, showed you guys how I made this. I don't know, these cans, I don't like these lids. I have, mason jars, and they tend to rust every time you wash them. Even if you hand wash it instantly dry, it just starts trying to like come off. This is painted, of course, but still, it's like I believe that's rust on the side because the toothpaste was definitely like a white, off-white color. So yeah, I'm still using it because it's like insulated at the top, so it still works and gets the job done. But still, I just poured it in here. It makes about this much. It's going to rise.
So the liquid concentration was a little too high for this batch that I made, so it actually did not end up rising like it typically would. So I ended up making a new batch for you guys to like show you. So like this has a thicker consistency, so this one actually did end up rising, and I used these jars. I would say these are better for jam, but you know, it's the next best thing. But yeah, this is the plastic one, but I prefer glass. So yeah, I made my little sister a small batch to try, and then you can see that the consistency is way thicker. And this is the liquid one, so you can see this is gonna be like more like water. And this one was like one of the first batches I ever made, and this is really like the concentration I would say is pretty perfect to a typical toothpaste.